This week was a very good week regarding trades that went pretty well, like rocks, for example, for me, and Roku. You know, it's a dazzling momentum dazzling charts dealing with momentum trade, and some of them will be focused on my this week 50-minute mentor, and I'm going to talk about second day momentum. I wanted to focus on a trade that I did on NVX, and that's the trade. If you're gonna see the entire chart, you're gonna say, it's not looking something very special, and on the other hand, it's actually failed to go down and move up already. But the key for this one is coming again from preparing, and that was the day of previous day on ENVX, and that trade was part of the second day momentum trade, which again I'm going to talk about detail this Wednesday 1 p.m. Eastern time on my 50-minute mentoring. And the key for this successful 3 1-minute bars is the prep. The prep is knowing exactly where is the previous low, where is the previous support and resistance, and what's the volume, what's the ATR, and getting to know the stocks from the day before. And with all those information, again, be prepared to come and be fast, because things happen kind of pretty fast. And that means, for example, that was the trade, 10.20 with 10 cents. So you can take a huge amount of shit. I want to introduce my one-on-one mentoring. It's a program we're doing live. We're working to improve our trading skills, building a trading plan, risk management, all the technical details, live trading between session and session going over, and all in order to cause you to be a better trader than you are. Yes. And the game plan was, since that was the pre-market, so the game plan was, if it's gonna break the 10, which was the previous low of the previous really significant man, I'm gonna add, because this is kind of a momentum open trade. So I actually prepare automatic orders, because you can see this kind of bar. There's no way I could actually do it. So 10, 20, 10. I size it pretty big, not regular size, not even triple. And I had under 10. And beautiful 1 minute, you see, beautiful capitulation. You want to see continuous again. Broke, came around this level, but didn't break the view up. I went to see another capitulation, beautiful. Now, when it broke here, my point of view was the 950, round number, to see if it's going to break. So it got to 950, and immediately I saw this volume, 960. 85% of the amount was out, and here above the view up, I was out. And that was the technique for this kind of trade. So there are some trades, again, you can hold, wait, the stop is bigger, but this one is, as you see, the capitulation, fade, boom. Because again, in my perspective, there was nothing there. So you could actually go all the way even to here, which it didn't do. So most of the profits out, 1, 2, 3 minute trade, which most of the profit was gone.